my name's Medina and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, it's actually very special because I got my little makeup box out. Yes, it's a very cute makeup box that my niece made, and she may or may not have given it to me. Oh well, so this video is just a beauty hack video, tips and tricks I usually use on a daily basis and spend it instead of spending extra moolah that I don't really have on extra products when I can just use things like chapstick that I have at home. So if you want to see more about that, you know, just continue on watching. Sorry about that. So I hope you liked my video, and if you did and found any of the hacks or tricks helpful, I can't speak today, then give me a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Today's actually a special video.
Not a special video.
Today's a special day. You know why? Because I got 2 videos in one day. If you want to see how to do this turban style, then check out my tutorial. I'll leave it in the link down below, or you can check out my channel. I'll have it up there for you. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be posting every Friday with that schedule. Stay tuned for next Friday. Let's go, guys.